So the guys over at Kit Plugins did it again. Today we're going to be looking at Blackbird's MOQ equalizer. Now, I'm not late to the party with this one. I've actually had this since it came out. I wanted to take my time and mess around with this plugin and give you my honest opinion. So what the guys over at Kit Plugins did, they went and got their hands on the Motown EQ and created an emulation of it, and we're going to test it. So I got a session in front of us. And let's take a look at the inserts. And we have a couple of plugins. And both of these plugins are actually Kit plugins. So we have their Blackbird and we have their core compressor, which is great. But what I want to do, I want to get rid of these two plugins. I want to put them on bypass. Let's close and let's listen without. So these are the settings that I'm using. So it's a 7-band EQ. We have your in, your out, and we have a gain. Now, if we get rid of the core compressor, this is the EQ by itself. I know this video is about the MOEQ, but I do have their core compressor, and I'm just compressing just a little bit. It'll help if I enable the plugin. Now, just like any other plugins, we do have some presets, which is great. You can pick a preset, and then you can tweak it. We also have this oversampling option here. Just remember, this is going to tax the CPU a little bit more. But if you're using a slightly older machine, then just keep that in mind. And then we also have this link option here. Now let's go ahead and change the oversampling to 8x. Let's close the plugin and let's go to this track here and let's go ahead and open it and let's load the EQ. So there we go. And as you can see, oversampling 8x. So they're linked. Of course, if you click the Kits plugin logo, it's going to take you to their website. And that makes sense. Let's go ahead and close that. And right here, if you click Blackbird, it's going to take you to the Blackbird's website. Again, makes sense. And this question mark, it's going to open the menu. So what are my thoughts on this plugin? Well, look, the guys over at Kit Plugins, they did a fantastic job. Does this thing sound anything like the real unit? I'm pretty sure it does, but honestly, that doesn't matter to me. This plugin sounds good, it's easy to use, and it's not sitting in my plugins folder collecting dust.